Morning. So we're about a week on now from Footgate. I don't know what he's up to, but there we go. Lorry looks nice and clean. Looks like somebody's washed it for me. That's nice. Oh, we got a load. Oh, hang on, I spy a demo tractor. Wow, here we are, we're back again. Ooh, truck looks clean. What's that then? That looks like a Sabre. It is a Sabre. Okay. I'm guessing then, drop the tractor off and then go and deliver these to Mr. Farmer Man. I'm sure that's probably what it is, but we'll go and have a look. Good morning to the world.
Good morning, world. Weaving machinery and the two hombres.
Well, my suspicions was correct. We are going demoing. Paolo. I just got to, we're going to I first, over by Ipswich. And then from I, we are going down to Malden in Chelmsford. John, how you doing, mate? Alright? Oh, is that Edward? I think that was Ed. I think that was Edward. Edward, if that was you, mate, hello. Yeah, so I'll leave a link to that. You can go and check out what that thing does in the field, and George or Harry will explain that immensely in detail. Farmers among you will know anyway, but the non-farmers and the people that don't know where potatoes and sheep come from, yeah, you know. Pulled into Oversley Mill / Alcester / the garage at the end of the bypass. Yeah, usual thing. Yeah, I've left all my lights on, gone for a coffee. I'll come wobbling back in a minute, and you know. Hello, welcome back. I'll just give you a brief explanation of what's going on, and then we'll jump outside and go to some kind of weird musical video. Basically, yeah, here we're drilling here in these fields here. Plenty of seed, don't worry about that. I don't know what they're drilling, wheat possibly, I don't know, could be barley. So basically we're here on an airfield. It's the Red Dragon 95th Bomb Battalion, where a lot of B-52s took off in the, I guess that'd be Second World War. Not a big historian, so don't quote me on that. But yeah, so yeah, we'll jump outside. It will be windy though, so you're probably going to have some really crap music now. Sorry, but it's either wind noise or crap music. You tell me. Right, let's have a look. All of it. Yep. Sorry, I just noticed. Are you Harry off of Wardy's Waffle?
I am actually, yeah.
Ah, nice to meet you. Sorry, I'm Mervyn.
Mervyn.
I have a small YouTube channel. You probably wouldn't have heard of me, but.
Was that the one you do the scania lorries on?
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Well, thanks for watching. It's just. There he comes now. He's just finding the GPS marker. When he's online, the drill will drop. There we go. And he'll set his speed, and now he's drilling. There you go. Okay, what they're looking for now is seed depth penetration, I guess you'd call it. I mean, I'm not going to pretend to be Adam Henson, but we have a look down in these little ridges here. There should be a bean. There we go. There's your bean. Where's your bean? Nowhere. Anyway, lorry looks good. Oh, he's done it just. Like I said, I'll put a link to weaving it south because Harry and Simon are obviously a lot more knowledgeable than I am. This is just a lorry video. So if you want to see drilling videos, go and look at their videos. Silly Billy forgot the keys! Easy, innit? Right, okay, so we're all loaded now. I use the line the nose of the bonnet up with the middle of the cab. No, there, yeah. About the V and the A on the weaving. And you ain't too far wrong. We gone with the big 10-ton straps today, boys and girls. We ain't playing no games. Right. Lovely place though. The chaps were demoing over there, I think. Not that you can really see because there's some trees and other stuff in the way, but by the looks of it, they got on pretty well. Yeah, we'll saddle up and get the bird out of here. Wow, we made it to Sheffins. Got the old VIP parking. The man's literally just shut the gate. Ideal. There's your man there. He's got all the load on. Sounded good. 4 series. Can't go wrong with that. Yeah. So yeah, this is where we'll be parking tonight. Okay, he's happy. Don't mind sleeping here because I know that's wobbling around all night. Well, we'll park here this evening. That'll do it for today and probably the video. So give us a big fat thumbs up, subscribe. It does help, honestly, it really does. So I know I keep yakking about it, but if you subscribe, you'll never miss any of this nonsense. And why wouldn't you want to miss this? Right,